What is going on, TikTokers and YouTubers? You know who this is. X Brand 845. Oh, I know it's Uncle X Brand. Everybody knows it's Uncle X, the RC Uncle. Yes, I still claim that name, and that's what it is, the RC Uncle. Anyway, as you can see, as you saw the front page of the thing, what I got, yeah, baby, I got the little Grom. I got the Grom. I got bit by the Grom bug, and you know, I had to pull my trigger, and I got myself the little Typhon. Now the Typhon, I had a little crave for that one for the longest time. Even though when they make that 1/8 scale, you know, with the brushless, and then it come with the brush scale, I said, I'll wait a little bit longer. But now, as you can see, I got the Grom. So we're gonna do an unboxing. You know what I'm saying? Hope you like it. If you like what you see, comment, subscribe, smash the bell, so you can be the first person to see my videos. And that's how it is. Well, I need to sit my little behind down because it's getting hot out here. I'm gonna make this unboxing nice and quick because it's like 100 degrees out here, and I ain't trying to melt. And then you know, the sunlight and the heat with cameras, it does not work well. So I'm gonna do this real quick. So let's take a little look and let's see what this is about. Now, as you can see, got the Grom here. I already halfway open it, as you can see. See, I have halfway open it. So anyway, basically, it's not a 1/10 scale. It's not a 1/8 scale. The way how it looks, and this is the actual size, it might be a 1/14 scale. It's not a 16. 16 might be a little bit smaller than this. So I give or take. It don't tell you the size. It just says the actual size. But I'm gonna say, as an RC person expert, this might be exactly 1/14 scale, probably the same scale that you see at the eBays and the Temus and AliExpress. This is like the competitor to them. It's like, take that, we're coming for you. So that's what Arrma is doing. Arrma seeing that it's a big market with these little small cars. So Arrma say, you know what? It ain't no fun until we all have some. So that's what Arrma did. So we're gonna take this bad boy out and see what this thing's about. Oh my gosh, nice. Yeah, it looks like a 1/14 scale. I could be wrong, but it looks like a 1/14 scale. Ooh. I like Arrma. It's easy to take them out. You see? Oh man. And then you got of course you got the controller here. I think if this not mistaken, this might be up the SL2. It don't stand up. Oh, it does stand up. Shocking. We got the SL2 right here. You know what I'm saying? So then they give you this heavy package, man. It's crazy. Somebody got a flat tire, but anyway, so anyway, out in the box, it got the check it out. I guess the instructions, how to get started, and you got the technical package. I mean, everybody did this video dozens of times, but you know, I'm just gonna show you real quick because the weather's hot, and everybody got other things to do. So yeah, it comes with a 1400 2S LiPo with plug. But you gotta get one of those plugs that you plug up your iPhone, you know what I'm saying, and you hook it up like that. So that's a good thing, you know what I mean? So it shows you how it's done, show the controls and the status, and you know, it's a pretty good car. But anyway, I'm gonna make this nice and quick because it's getting too hot. So this is the I guess all the parts that you need. If you break anything, you got all the numbers, you got all the screws, you got every little thing from the wing part all the way to the chassis. You know, it's just basically, if anything breaks, you just take this to the hobby shop, say I need this part, and they'll find it for you. So that's another good thing that you can do with Arrma versus the Chinese version. There's nothing wrong with the Chinese version, but the only thing is that if the parts break, you gotta order it, and then next thing you know, you gotta wait a couple of days. You can go to any hobby shop that sells Arrmas, and you're good to go. So anyway, this is the charger for the thing. You know, it's a you know, it's not a bad charger. You know what I'm saying? Just hook it up right there. Okay, what else does it got? Oh, this is the part I love the best, right here. You got the support right here. So that means that you take your phone, you zap it, and it tells you what the support that Arrma gives you. You know what I'm saying? That's cool. And what else? Oh, there we go. We got this special tool here. It's like a multi-faceted tool. You can do it for the wheels. You can do it for the screws inside of here if it gets loose. So that's a good thing that Arrma is doing, that they're giving you tools to work on this thing if you don't feel like taking it to the shop. You know what I'm saying? So that's a good plus right there. You know what I mean? What else? What else they got? Oh, we got the clips right here. You know, let's say you want to stiff or something like that. So you got stiff all the way around and stuff like that. So that's a pretty good look right there also. What else? And last but not least, we got batteries. Now that's something that I love that Arrma does, is that at least they give you batteries for your control. You don't have to go to the 99-cent store and buy yourself some batteries. It comes with the car. That's what I like about Arrma. Good, excellent work, Arrma. Keep up the good work. But anyway, so enough of that. I'm gonna do this real quick. It's getting hot out here, and boy, my butt hot on this hot bench. It's plastic, but it's what it is. Go over there. Thank you. Now, how do you open this thing? That's a good question. Oh, look at this. Check this out. Now, you got this clip right here. You gotta push it down, or you push it in, and then you look. Okay, not bad, Arrma. I like this. You know what I'm saying? I like that part. You know what I'm saying? You know, don't bash. Don't just bash. You gotta blast. Hey, put my wind get blown down. So anyway, here's the thing. It got to say, shock's pretty good. Now, for parts where that when you drive this thing, it's a buggy. So basically, when you drive this thing, you got to drive at low surfaces areas where it's not high grass, because it's a buggy. Even though it got 4-wheel drive, but the way how the low profile is, it's very hard to go on high grass and everything. So just keep a reminder of that to yourself if you buy one of these. So yeah, we got a ESC. Looks like a 2-in-1. Yeah, it's a 2-in-1. 2-in-1 ESC. We got the, what's that? We got the where the batteries go. You connect it right here. Stuff like that. Take the battery out. Oh, you got a fan. Check this out. You got a fan cooler right here underneath the brush motor. I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is like the 380. Let me take a look. 380 battery, 380 motor. Yeah, it's a 380 motor, 28 turn. So it got a little get up and go until you upgrade, and get yourself a little, maybe a castle. A small castle will do the trick on this thing. This thing will make it fly. But right now, just to get you started, this motor's pretty good. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I watched other videos, it might be, you might get 22, 23 the most. So you're above 20 miles an hour. And you know, that's decent speed for something of this size. It's like a 1/14 scale, so it's a pretty decent size. So you know, the shocks is pretty good. See? You can adjust it, just like I said with the thing. But anyway, what else? You gotta work fast because it's getting hotter and hotter. Oh my God, it's getting hot. So anyway, you do have the 14 2S LiPo, 30C burst, 7.4. Yeah, you might get if you ain't hitting the gas that much, you might can get about maybe, I don't know, maybe more than 20-30 minutes running time, give or take. But it's good that Arrma at least give you a battery that goes with the car. That means you don't have to go back to the RC shop and buy yourself a battery. So it's like, there's no excuse that what Arrma is doing to get you started. You know what I'm saying? They got the batteries for the controller, right? They got the batteries for the car. All you have to do is just charge it, and you're good to go. You know what I mean? So that's a good thing that Arrma is doing. You know what I'm saying? So you put it back in there. You put it like this. You hook it like this. You hook it like this. You hook it like that, and then you hook it like this. You know what I'm saying? So. Oh, my bad. Yeah. So like this. Turn it around like that, and then you go like that. See? So easy. Everything's so easy on this car. You don't even need to be a rocket scientist to figure this one out. You know what I'm saying? Arrma did a very good job making everything easy, and the way how it looks identical to the Typhon, like the big brother version of the Typhon. The wing is decent. It's strong. It ain't gonna break that much. It's flexible, but it's still strong. The tires are identical. As you can see, the tires are identical. And then, of course, you got the same thing. Don't just bash, you got to blast. It's a good look, you know what I'm saying? The things right here, these are pretty decent and stuff like that. And it also got some, looks like it got some dog bones. I don't know if they're plastic. I don't know if they're plastic or not. Feels like it's plastic dog bones. But you can always change this to metal if you want to get really crazy, you know what I mean? So, basically, pretty grippy tires. I like the little spokes around here, and it's nice. I mean, it's not the identical wheels to the original Typhon, but it does the trick right there. So, there you go. Anyway,
Sorry to bother you, sir. Keep your eye on this guy. He's over there complaining to himself about the scooter riding the dogs and stuff. So
I got him. Don't worry. Thank you. So anyway, back I was saying as I got interrupted. It's a pretty good, decent car for the price. You know what I'm saying? And it got these little extra things on the side, so that even when you do ride in the dirt or whatever, they got protection where that. Well, the only time when the dirt gonna hit is in the front and in the back. Nothing really got much dirt or rocks and anything gonna get in between that, because you got all this extra work out here. You know what I'm saying? So that's a pretty good, interesting look here. You know what I mean? But Arrma did a very good job with this car. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. And then it's like a body clip. You know, it's like everybody, this is the way to go. You know what I'm saying? Everything's a body clip. So you know, you got a body clip in the front, you got a body clip in the back. So as you can see, you know what I'm saying? You know, and yeah. So anyway, we got a body clip in the front, body clip in the back. So it's a pretty good look, as you can see. So anyway, like I was saying, it's a good look. And I'm gonna make it nice and quick because it's getting hot. But anyway, I'm glad that you like the unboxing of the doggone thing. As you can see, you know, it's a good look, and I hope you like it. But if you like what you see, comment, smash, and subscribe. You know what I mean? But anyway, it's getting hot out here, and it's 100 degrees. But anyway, this is X-Brand845. You know, thank you for watching my show. Comment, subscribe, and also on TikTok and TikTok also. You know, I'm on TikTok as X-Brand845, otherwise known as Uncle X, otherwise known as Uncle X Brand. So you know, you can find me in one of those channels. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, this is X-Brand845. Once again, I'm out of here. Peace.